Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then hello, my name is Jess. We do a lot of fashion, styling, travel, vlogs, basically a bit of everything. So welcoming you fully into my life. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be a mini SLA haul. So I've got 4 pieces from them that I really wanted to share with you, because not only is it a brand that I've recently discovered, but it's a brand that I really want to share with you because I love pretty much everything they've got on the website, and having received these pieces, I genuinely think that every single thing is coming away with me and I can't wait to wear them. What I've got isn't something you can typically wear every day, but it's stuff that would be really good for evenings and holidays, and to be honest, you could even wear these through to Christmas, like festive season as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I've got, starting with possibly my favorite piece. For a bit of context, this turned up about a week ago and I've already put the dress on for literally no reason 6 times because I just love the way it looks and it's so beautiful. And this is it. I don't know if you can really capture how sparkly this is on camera, but oh my god, it's amazing. If you look on the SLA Instagram account, which I'll leave down below, they share this quite a lot, and they've got quite a few pictures where it's been shot at night and it's got like the lights and everything. It just looks beautiful. So I am in love with this. It's got a really beautiful glittery fabric and it's like a structured little bandeau mini. This is going to be perfect for my trip to Mexico because I can pop this on of an evening with some cute little sandals and like tie my hair up and it will just be the most stunning thing. But I also like that it's versatile enough that I can wear this through party season, I can get it out in the summer, like it's literally the most versatile thing ever. I've got this in an extra small and it fits like a glove. I really like the way it fits. I do recommend trying a couple of sizes because obviously I don't have much of a bust, so I think if you are kind of more blessed in the boob department, then you maybe need to size up for that because it can be a little bit tight around the top, and the way that you get into it is a zip down the back, so it might be a little bit restricting, so maybe try a couple of sizes. But I personally love this so much. As you can see in the cutaway, it looks stunning on, it accentuates your waist and it's just beautiful, and it feels really lovely too. Like it's not too, like where it's glittery fabric, it's not itchy or anything, and it's lined with like this purple satin, so really soft. The only thing I will say is I find it gets everywhere, especially when you've got moisturiser on. So I had moisturiser on the other day when I filmed the cutaways and I was literally covered. I had to get in the shower to get all of the glitter off, but it is beautiful. I will have no regrets when I wear it and I'm covered in glitter. James, on the other hand, might not want to go near me because he'll be covered in it, but I really like it and I think it's adorable. Then next up we have one that is very out of my comfort zone and it's bright pink, but I've never been more obsessed with a coloured item in my life than this. Like honestly, when I tell you, I didn't know if I'd love this, and I really like it on. I think it just looks gorgeous, and I think where I don't really venture into colour, I always am a bit wary of it, but when I put it on, I sometimes find that certain shades really complement my skin tone and my hair and everything. And this is definitely one of those, and I just think it makes me look a bit more tanned. It makes my hair look really bright and shiny, and I just absolutely love it. So this is what the dress looks like. You've got the buttons all the way down the front, so you can wear this done up or undone. I personally wear it undone, and then it's got the little wrap around here, so you can just popper that. So it's got a little popper that holds it over, and then you've got the slightly off-center buttons here as well. So it kind of looks like you've put on your boyfriend's shirt and like wrapped it round and just worn that, and it just fits really beautifully. It's got an elasticated waist, which I think is really nice as well. Nice thick satin material, but not so thick that it's really hot. So for example, my flat right now is 28 degrees. It's torture to film in this flat, I'm not gonna lie, but I put this on and I'm not that bad, like I'm not too hot. So I think on a balmy summer's evening on holiday or something, it would be perfect. But equally, I think it'd be quite a good one to wear for party season, the festive period, etc., when you want something that's a little bit different to your typical sparkles but still makes a bit of an entrance. And it's honestly just gorgeous. It does also have shoulder pads as well, which I think makes your waist look even smaller because you're kind of accentuating the shape up the top and drawing it in. Personally, I think I'd wear this with black accessories, but you could equally go like nude, or you could go pink. You could kind of dress it up however you want to. The purple also, I think I'd stick to black, white, or to be honest, nude. Nude sandals did look quite nice with it the other day, so I think potentially that as well. But again, equally as gorgeous. And this one is again an extra small, and this is the Alma dress. Then last but not least, I have a little set. I think these are sold separately, but I'm not 100% sure. I will leave all of the links down below. But it's just this gorgeous glittery set, again, in the same fabric, I think, as the little mini dress, but in a different colour. So this is like a gorgeous beigey, pinky. It's kind of like it's like a dusty pink, beige, gold kind of affair, and it's a top and trousers. The top just looks like so you've got the little lace up sides here, which is really movable. The fabric isn't too tight as well, so I found this really easy to get on, and then I just adjusted the sides to fit me as I wanted them. You've got a little button at the back as well to kind of hold you in, and it's a really nice length, so it's like a little crop top, and I thought this would go so well as well with like jeans or different trousers, so you could really mix and match a little bit with this one. And then the trousers are long, wide leg trousers. They fit beautifully, so they're quite nice and hugging around the waist. They skim really nicely over your body, and I do think they are slightly too long for me, but I could take them up really easily if I needed to. And again, they've got the same silky lining on the top and the trousers as the other dress, so really, really gorgeous. And then again, the back is just quite simple, so really simple tailored style, but in the sparkle, which is beautiful. And to be honest, if I wanted to wear something that was like, if I wanted to be dressy but not wear like both together, I would even pop these with like a white t-shirt and some little mules or sandals or something, and then you feel a bit more like you're dressed up without actually having to like really go all out with the matchy, because I know sometimes that a full co-ord isn't for everyone, but I personally really like it, and I think they're gorgeous pieces alone or together. But that's everything that I got from SLA. I hope you enjoyed this very miniature haul video. I wanted to pop it into a haul for you because the pieces are gorgeous, and I knew it wouldn't be a long video, but sometimes those bite-sized little videos are the ones that are even better because you get through things really quickly and they're really good. Like I don't know, sometimes I don't film hauls with this many. Sometimes I don't film hauls when it's this little items because I worry that it's not enough. But then I also think sometimes it's nice to have that little bite-sized video and just share it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little haul. Don't forget to let me know if you've checked out SLA before, if you're planning to check them out now. They have honestly got such gorgeous stuff on the website, so I recommend having a little look. These pieces were kindly gifted to me, but I haven't been paid. There's no obligation to film a video or anything. I just personally really liked them and like the quality, so thought I would share with you on here. But yeah, hope you liked the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.